Hello, this is gonna be my first video tutorial on JavaScript. I hope I'm talking loud enough. Last time it really didn't work. So anyway, let's get started. Today we're gonna be making pretty much the most basic program you can with JavaScript. We're gonna call it Hello World, and I'm pretty much gonna be teaching you programs from the book called JavaScript Programming for the Absolute Beginner, from Andy Harris. Highly suggest buying the book because even though I'm gonna try my hardest to give you all the information. There's a lot that just be way too long to cover on video. So I highly recommend it to go out and buy that. But anyway, let's get started. First of all, I should explain what JavaScript is. It's a programming language for the computer, and pretty much it's used for Flash games and more useful stuff than that once you get used to it. So let's just get started. You're going to want to open up Notepad and you can do your little less than sign and type in HTML. I'm just going to give you the code and then I'm going to go over and explain what it does. So hit enter. Do your little minus sign again. Or less than sign, sorry. Script. Typing pretty slow today because I'm only using one hand. Now these, when you do the double forward slash, this doesn't affect your code at all. All this is a note. They're useful for the fact that go back and review your code that you've written. They can see what you were thinking. You can some little pieces of information, kind of guide them along, make it easier to understand. So we're just gonna get title, Hello World. But for all I care, you can put whatever you want because it doesn't matter. Anyway, so moving on. Here's the most important part of this. It's gonna be the alert. Now, this is going to be what's going to pop up. This is going to be what's going to tell you the information. This is pretty much the core of the whole thing. So you want to go put a parentheses and then a quotation. And you're going to type in hello world. Quotation, parentheses. Okay. Now you're going to drop down and you're going to go little less than sign. Then you're going to do 1 forward slash and type in script again. Close that. Enter. 1 slash and do HTML. Whoops, I always do that for some reason. Okay. So, let's kind of review this. HTML is another language. It's a format, and this whole thing is written in HTML. But the thing is that HTML is read differently than JavaScript. So if you just had HTML here and didn't have this script, it would read it totally different. And when you have the script, it tells the computer that from here on, it's going to be written in JavaScript. It tells it to read it a different way. And it's also important to close that, which is what we're doing down here. When we type in script with 1 forward slash, it tells you to close it, meaning that's the end of the JavaScript. And the same thing right here, that's the end of the HTML. So that's it. That's all you gotta do for your first one. So just go up here, File, Save As, and here's another extremely important part in this whole.
One. Get up. I wanted. Okay, here we go. So, you're gonna type in hello. I've already made one. So let's just do hello world 3, because I've already made 2 of them. .html. It's gonna want to save it as a save. There you go. Now, that's pretty much it. And to go and view it, go find it in your documents folder. Wait for this to. Okay, right here. Documents, scroll down. Mine was Hello World 3. Double click, and it's gonna open up an Internet Explorer window. Now, here's something else. If you have any security on your computer, it's gonna tell you this is a blocked file and it might be harmful to your computer. When that happens, all you gotta do is just click allow blocked content and it'll come up. I don't know why it's taking so long. Maybe it's because I'm using a new video recorder. Okay, anyway, see right here. Just click it, allow content, yes. There you go. There is what you just wrote. So that's the finished product. Like I said, the alert tells it to bring up one of these little boxes here, which are very persistent. If you try to do anything else before you respond to this little box here, it won't let you. So that's what the alert is, and then in parentheses it says "Hello World." And that's to show you what I mean. This is the important part. So let's just type in "Hello YouTube." Whoops. And then go ahead and save that. Now when you come back up, let's just refresh the page. Whoops. Okay. Hello YouTube. So whatever you have written in that little parentheses is what's gonna show up. So kinda make it. So let's go ahead and end this one. I'm gonna be back with another one soon. And that one's gonna be a little more complicated. We're gonna get into this one called Hello Joe. Pretty much is the same basic thing, but I'm gonna teach you more about sections as well as titles and things of that nature. But once again, I highly recommend buying the book. It's called JavaScript Programming for the Absolute Beginner by Andy Harris. Okay, that'll be it for now. Thanks for watching.